Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create community sites in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to setup and enable the digital experience in your organization. So go to digital experiences and from there you can go to settings and make sure that it is already enabled. So as you can see, I have my experience workspace that it is already enabled, and of course you can add another custom domain if you already have any other custom domains. And basically at the end you will need just to go after enabling your experience or digital experience, you will need just to go to all sites, and from there you can start creating new sites. So let's just go to all sites, and basically you will need just to click on new, and after that you will need just to go and search for a community site. And basically there is the customer service, customer account, and there is also the Aloha partner central, Salesforce tabs, and some visual force, or you can simply create some microsite if you want. So now we can simply click on Salesforce tabs plus uh, visual force, and we can simply click on get started. As you can see, it already has some chatter, the accounts opportunities, and as you can see already people can talk, etc. So we can give it a name, my community, and let's click on create comp, and then it will take us to the builder, and from there you can customize on your site however you would like. So now let's just wait for this to load, and as you can see now you can start modifying on your page on however you like. And as you can see we can find the workspace, content targeting, dashboard, etc. So basically this is how it looks, and you can check every aspect of your page and modify it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.